I'm going to show you how to make a quality beef stock at home to level up your dishes. This is an easy yet versatile ingredient that you can use on a daily basis in your cooking. Personally, I think homemade stock tastes that much better than store-bought, so let's get stuck into it. All right, so first step, we've got our beef bones. Now you can get these from your butcher. Don't think you'll be able to find them at the supermarket, so if you just head into your butcher and just ask for some beef bones, beef neck, you've got beef shin, anything with good collagen and a little bit of meat on it is great. So we're gonna pop that onto a tray and then just gonna go into the oven for about 45 minutes. For the temperature, around 185 degrees Celsius or 365 Fahrenheit will be fine. For my aromatics and vegetables, I like to use fresh thyme, bay leaf and peppercorns. And I've also got some onion, celery, carrots and garlic. Once your beef bones have finished roasting, they should have some nice color on them just like this. So we've got a large pot with some oil in it. We're gonna place all of those vegetables in. Gonna throw them with a pinch of salt. Just cook that down for a minute. So we're gonna place those beef bones into the pot now with those vegetables. So as you can see, we've got that beautiful flavor left on that tray. We wanna make sure we get it off. So we're gonna add a little bit of water on top of the tray. I'm going to get as much of it off as I can. Okay, and of course that goes into the pot as well. So now we're going to place our thyme, bay leaves and black peppercorns into the pot. And now we just want to fill that up with some clean filtered water. I'm just going to place a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in. And now we just want to allow that to come to the boil and then we'll skim some of any of those impurities off of the top. All right, that's been simmering for about 6 hours. I've just taken it off to cool down a little bit. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna strain those solids out and we're gonna be left with that beautiful, delicious stock. All right, so we've topped that into a glass container. I'm just gonna wait for that to fully cool down and then I'll place a lid on it and then we'll pop it in the fridge overnight. So as you can see, it's solidified overnight. We've just got this fat or layer of fat on the top. All you wanna do is just carefully take that off and you just discard that. And you know you've got a good stock when you've got that nice jelly-like consistency, all that gelatin's solidified, lots of flavor, perfect for your next recipe. So there we have it, homemade beef stock, such a great kitchen fundamental to learn. Thanks for watching everyone, we'll see you on the next video.